In less than 2 months, Google is expected to officially unveil the Pixel 10 lineup, and while early leaks suggest the design will remain largely unchanged, the real story lies beneath the surface. With a series of powerful hardware upgrades and smart software enhancements, the Pixel 10 could be the most refined and capable Pixel yet. From a fully custom Tensor G5 chip to advanced camera features and next-gen wireless charging, Google appears to be addressing long-standing user complaints while pushing the Pixel series into a new era of performance and polish. A new era of silicon, Tensor G5 goes fully custom. One of the most significant changes coming to the Pixel 10 is the introduction of the Tensor G5 processor, which marks a major shift in Google's approach to mobile silicon. Unlike previous Tensor chips that were based on Samsung's Exynos architecture, the G5 is reportedly being manufactured by TSMC and will feature a Google-designed image signal processor (ISP). This move away from Samsung's components could result in major gains in efficiency, thermal performance, and most importantly, camera processing. With a fully in-house ISP, Google will have tighter control over how images and videos are captured and processed, potentially unlocking new levels of clarity, dynamic range, and low-light performance. Early rumors even suggest the Pixel 10 could offer gimbal-like video stabilization, a feature that would dramatically improve handheld video recording and appeal to content creators and vloggers. Camera innovation, Telemacro Lens for close-up precision. While the Pixel 10 Pro is expected to retain the same primary camera sensors as its predecessor, Google is reportedly adding a Telemacro Lens to the telephoto camera. This hybrid lens allows users to take detailed macro shots from a distance, eliminating the need to get uncomfortably close to the subject. This is a welcome change for photography enthusiasts who've found traditional macro lenses limiting. The ultrawide camera will still support macro photography, but the addition of a telemacro option provides more flexibility and creative control, especially for capturing nature, textures, and product shots. G2 wireless charging, magnetic accessories on the horizon. Another exciting upgrade is the Pixel 10's rumored support for G2 wireless charging, the latest standard that introduces magnetic alignment for more efficient and reliable charging. While it's still unclear whether the Pixel 10 will include built-in magnets or rely on a magnetized case, the move to G2 is a big step forward. Google is reportedly developing a new line of accessories under the name Pixel Snap, which will likely include magnetic chargers, stands, and cases. If implemented well, this could bring the Pixel ecosystem closer to the seamless accessory experience that iPhone users enjoy with MagSafe. Even if the magnets are only present in official cases, G2 support will still allow for faster wireless charging speeds, better accessory compatibility, and a more premium user experience, something Pixel users have long been asking for.